This is our 1966 Cadillac DeVille Convertible. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk around to the car. Following that, there will be a second walk around where I'll show close-ups of all the cosmetic blemishes. And then there'll be some video clips of the interior as well as under the hood with the car running. So we purchased the car out of Minnesota. The car was originally delivered to Escondido, California, and then spent the overwhelming majority of its life with a farmer in North Dakota. In 2003, a car moved from North Dakota to Minnesota. The car was originally a antique gold, now obviously black, repainted many years ago. A handful of signs of age. You'll see all the blemishes close up later on in the video, but this was actually originally a antique gold over light gold leather interior car. Pretty interesting spec for a convertible. The interior remains unchanged. Shows its age a little bit, but it is still the original light gold. Car has 156,000 miles on it. Really well documented car. It's got receipts and manuals going all the way back. Receipts from an engine rebuild in 1976, a trans rebuild in the mid-late 80s, oil changes in the 90s. Mileage is well documented, so we do believe the 156 to be actual. Black convertible top is in excellent shape, and it is powered, it is functional. Chrome is very good throughout. Minimal oxidation, nice mirror-like finish. Hubcaps are in excellent shape, no wrinkles or other damage, no curb rash. Tires are a bit older, should be replaced sooner rather than later. No flat spots or cracking or anything like that, but older than they should be. You can see there's a number of scratches and chips and all sorts of little blemishes. Again, you'll see that stuff close up here in a minute. Car runs really well. It's a 429, believe it to be original. We ran the numbers and it is date correct. Our trans was rebuilt and installed at 86,000 miles, which was back in the early 80s. So here are all the blemishes close up. You can see there's some aging of the light lenses, a number of chips and scratches, touch-up paint, all sorts of little bits scattered around the front end. Paint is older and obviously a B-level respray, by no means a show car. Chipping, a little bit of bubbling at that corner of the rocker below the driver door. Panel fitment's excellent. Doors open and close nice and smooth, as does the hood and the trunk. Big scratch there. Driver rear quarter. Coming around to the rear, you can just see no pitting of the chrome there. A couple scratches, touch up. Car will come with that 66 Caddy plate. And then this is the passenger rear quarter. Bunch of scratching, peeling. Then there's a ding here on the passenger front fender, right by the antenna. Overall, it's a 10-footer, driver level car. Interior looks quite good. Door panels, a little bit of age on the driver's side. Passenger is very, very nice. But no kicked open markings or anything like that. The power windows are all functional. The window control panel's free of any oxidation. There's that one dash crack on the passenger side up top. Other than that, dash top looks very nice. Carpet is excellent throughout. Definitely replaced relatively recently. We did find a cover for that polished piece in the center. I guess you could call it the console, glove box. Fuel gauge reads as pegged. Temp gauge works. Speedometer works. Odometer works. Air conditioning kicks on but does not blow cold. Still R12. Heat and fan are functional. Adjustable steering wheel is functional. Now, I mentioned in the listing that the original light gold leather has developed a bit of a pinkish hue to it. I think this video shows that well. It's kind of a strange-ish looking beige pink. A bunch of little scuffs. Nothing really too significant, but scuffs and creases. Back seat's very nice. Interior lights are all functional. Good look at the carpet there. Again, driver level car.